Happy Sunday! It's me, Irene of Agape Greeting Cards here again with another shortcut tutorial. Today I'm going to just be utilizing some satin strips from making other cards and just to create a very simple, really simple card. So these here are like white and silver. And of course, there's green, there's gold, just a plain gold. There's gold, the little shimmery look to it. And then, of course, there's the shades of red. Okay. What I did was I took a strip again scrap that I had, and I just cut it down, and I, just taped the back so I can, get the piece that I want. And to get started, so hi to all my subscribers, to all those who stop by to watch my videos. I do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And let's go ahead and get started. So I'm not going to be sticking this in any particular way. I'm going to see how I end up doing it, but I wanted to have like just a little peak of the white, in between the colors. So the first one, of course, is the pink. I'm going to do the green, sorry. And again, there is no way to lay them. You can just use your own imagination, decide, what you would like. But again, I'm not doing it, any particular fancy schmancy way anyway. Okay, so far I'm just kind of layering them down. Let me now use the gold shimmer, and of course I'll show you what we would do next. Now, just with a little bit of tissue, I'm just going to dab because I want to make sure that if there's any extra glue anywhere, that my hand doesn't get into it and it doesn't mess up the thingy. Okay, now let me use, I will use a piece of this, which is the white. So I'm just going to just cut it. Let me see how long this is. I'm just going to cut it a little shorter, and then just get some glue on there. And the strips can be any size. It doesn't have to be any width, any size. We're just doing something very simple. And I'm going to end it off with another of the pink here. Again, I'm just going to cut this down a little bit. Let's see. I'm going to now go ahead and, oopsie, I'm going to take a smaller pair of scissors. And I'm just going to cut down a little bit on the sides. But I'm going to leave just a little bit of pickable white on the edges. Yes, so basically that's the little, just a little piece. Just gave me a little bit of a challenge there for a moment. But now I'm going to just go ahead and place it in the center of the card like this. Or on the center of the card, not in it. Let me just get this tape stuck up. Just going to put some glue just to get it together, and we are good to go. Now this card can be used for anything. It's an everyday card design. It can be used for any occasion. It's just, one of these things where you want to just have on hand. And again, there is no right or wrong way of doing it. It's just a fun card, simple card using any kind of scrap, but I just chose to use this here, which is the glitter, because I love a lot of glitter. I just try not to overdo it when I'm doing my cards. So I have this here. Now this would be your center. I have had this for a while, so I'm going to just go ahead and stick this, just grab one of those. Maybe we can grab the spoon. That could be for a chef or something. So I can kind of, you know, like angle it here. This could be a Mother's Day card too. Okay, and that could be just a simple card, no big deal. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next week. Toodaloo, take care, be safe, bye.